Ụtụtụ ọma, ụmụnne m. Ụtụtụ ọma means good morning, my people. So then we are going to learn, we are going to continue Igbo greetings. This is the English version and the Igbo version. When you greet good evening in English, good evening. In Igbo is Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Let's spell it. Mgbede. Mgbede. Always tell you that those diagrams comes in twos. They are one word. They are pronounced as one word. Mgbede. Ọma. Mgbede ọma. That's good evening. Then, how are you? How are you? In Igbo is kedu. It's a question mark. There's question mark. Kedu. Kedu. K-E-D-U. Kedu. K-E-D-U. Kedu. I would like you to follow me as I'm pronouncing, because the important thing is to know the pronunciation. K-E-D-O. Kedu. That's how are you. In English, sorry. When you do something to somebody and he says sorry, in Igbo, you will say ndo. N-D-O. Ndo. N-D-O. Ndo. N-D-O. Ndo. N-D-O. Ndo. Please, in English, please. In Igbo is biko. Biko. B-E-K-O. Biko. B-E-K-O. Biko. Then take care. In Igbo is jisike. Jisike. J-E-C-E-A. Jisi. J-E-C-E-A. Jisi. Ike. Ike. Jisi. Ike. This place we have it is well. In Igbo is odi. Odi mma. Odi mma. O-D-E. Mwe-mwe-a. Odi mma. Mwe-mwe-a is mma. Odi mma. So please try to learn these Igbo greetings. Last lesson we did 6 of them. Today we are doing 6 again. Try to follow the pronunciation and try to practice them. Use them to greet people. I want to use this opportunity to thank all the people that are subscribing to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. I am grateful, and I ask you, please invite your friends to my page. Invite your family and relations. I'm grateful. God will bless you.